Good morning, everyone, and we're going to this second tutorial on how to develop or how to create a login form in Microsoft Access database. So, the first tutorial we develop a login form, but we're going to continue from that spot. So, this is my existing project, which I started developing the login form. So this is the table which was created here, which holds the data of the users. That is the user's name and that of the password. So when you open, we have a blank form here, which when you log in, this is the form that will display. So of course we have the login form now, which was created. So of course from this point, our password initially was let me just go over it and see. Okay, it is 123456 for Kortu, and for user Kortu, and for user Tijan is 1116, and Kylie is 222, and the Tamba is 29436. So when you look at this, let's try to select Tamba and see if it will work for me. So this is it is Java at 29436. So when you log in, you see that it is saying invalid password. Invalid password. So let's try to check the password and see if that is the right password. So have Tamba at 2019. It's not 29436. Sorry. So we have to check this and see. So that's the reason. When you enter the wrong password, that is what you will have. So definitely you click on this. Now it opens. But that is not the end of the design of this particular login form. So we have to close everything now first, and later we go back to our design view and click on the login form and go to the design view to see the design of that particular form. So of course, we want to check this one and see, because the input here is actually visible to users. So what we can do here is we go back to our orders and we check. So we go to data, under data here, we come to the input mask. So here I want to select our input mask so that our users cannot see the password we enter. So against the users, the input marks here, we select password and go to next, and then we finish. So if you can go to form view for this particular actions we've taken, so you can see that whatever input you do, it will not be visible to our users. So of course, let me try to enter still Jala at 2019. So when we log in, so let me check if I've entered the right thing, MJALA at 2019. So it's also the user is Kortu here. Java 294 should be Tamba. So when I log in, so oh, okay. So now it's really working for us. So but what exactly the next thing we'll have to do here? We still have to go to design view and see how we can set up this particular form to a pop-up form, so that we can get this form above. Okay, let's set up this pop-up and the modal to yes. So meaning the modal will allow you to to fix the form on top of other forms, and which if you don't close one of these forms, it will not open the other form. So basically that is what we have to do. And for the pop-up here, it allows the form, it bring up the form from this particular access here. So basically you have to set up this one to yes, and set up this one, the modal, also to yes. So like let's say we save this and we go to form view. So if you go to form view, that is what exactly you will see. See, the pop-up is okay, and the modal also it's okay. So let's say if you want to, you see, it will not allow you to move to go into another form if you don't log in first. So let's say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then you log in. See, so the other form is now available for us. So that's the second thing we have to do. So we go to the next thing we have to do. We try to work on then we come to all data where you can check the size. Auto size is okay. It says it should be yes, and the border style here should they're saying it's sizable. So we have to set it to dialog to that particular one, and we go to the record selector. And these record selectors are like let me first go to the view so that we can see what exactly we have here. So this particular one is our record selectors here. So you see it have selected the fourth record for us. So but we don't need that to happen now. So let's try to see this again. We need it, so we go to the design view and we check on the record selector. Where do we have it even here? Let's check for record selector. Okay, in fact, let me go straight away to this close button. There's close button there, which you see like this one here. You see it appears on the form here, but we don't need that there. And even for the minimum and the maximum button, also we don't need to see them because like this, when you see this one is the maximum and the talking of the minimum and the maximum button here. You see it there. So we go to the movable. Yes, they said the form should be movable. No, we don't need that particular form to move. So we want it to fix to its particular position. So the next thing we have to check here is our record selectors, which I just demonstrated here. So then we go now to click on the yes, we go to no, and the navigation also. That is where you can move from one record to another. You can click there also and set it to no. So of course, and when you check this, when you go to your phone view, and particularly that is what you can see. Now it is not moving, so and this one is not working, and it's not also moving here. So of course, it is set up to pop up, so meaning it is fixed. So the user can nobody can not easily go into another form without passing through this particular form here. So let's say I still enter the password 3456. So I go to yes, I have to say because I didn't say there's a reason. So now you see it's working here. So meaning when you log into this, it goes to another form here. So let's see if we can go back to the design view and see what we can do here. Of course, you can just say instead of this table login, we say login here. Of course, let's say basically it's okay that you need this one. We say login here. Of course, I don't think if this one needs anything here. So in case we don't need this, we can also remove this particular box here. Of course, let me see how. Okay, you can right click and delete it from that particular spot. So the next thing we have to do is let's try to move this one up here and swap it, send it to that position. But let's say if we really want to close, but for the login we can cancel the particular information we've entered. But what I'm saying here, we want to let's say from this spot you can also create. Let's assume you are one of the users here, or you are a new user where you wanted because you wanted to create an account here. So we'll see how we can design our form here. And let's say we cancel this because we'll be using this to say create 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 account create account. And in creating this account, of course, this will allow you to create another account, since if you are not a member of this particular of the existing account you see here. So for basically this tutorial, you can add more designs. So basically this is what you can have for this. For the next tutorial, I will show you how to use this button here to allow you to create a sign up here. And this one is talking of how you can sign up and create an account. You can sign up so that in the later use you can now, after signing up, you can later input values to this particular box. So meaning you are a user now for this particular account here. So basically for this tutorial I want to stop here for this, and then check out for the next tutorial, and then learn as to how you can create your sign-in form, so that when you click on create account here, it will actually allow you to sign up, so that in future use you can actually use to log in. You can use basically your information to log into this account. So, and thank you very much. I'm Joseph Kortu, and I want to say goodbye for this particular tutorial, and we wish to see the next tutorial.